Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking the tip closely. Determine whether bristles are splayed, glued, or warped. Wet the brush in warm water with mild soap to loosen dried paint, then gently tease bristles apart with a fine comb. Once done, remove loose paint with 0000 steel wool or an old razor blade, working toward the ferrule. This prevents pushing gunk deeper. Make sure to keep bristles aligned with your fingers as you work. Because alignment, you now reshape the tip. After softening, gently squeeze bristles between thumb and forefinger to a pointed or flat profile, depending on brush type. Trim only the obvious outliers with sharp scissors because overcutting shortens life. Once shaped, wrap the bristles in paper and secure with a rubber band or clip to hold the form, then let the brush cool and fully dry. This step sets the geometry, so take time to make the shape precise, not rushed. You finish by rinsing thoroughly and spinning the brush to remove excess water, then test it with short strokes on scrap material to confirm a clean, even line. If the tip fans or retains paint, re-wet and repeat gentle reshaping. Make sure not to cut repeatedly. If paint remains deep in the ferrule, soak the brush in appropriate solvent or remove the ferrule carefully to clean. This is the key troubleshooting move when surface fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.